Hello, today we're gonna make Forky and Knifey. Alright, for Forky, you're going to need popsicle sticks, glue dots, or hot glue gun, a rainbow sticker, sporks, googly eyes, red pipe cleaner, red and blue puff paint, and a red marker. Alright, let's get started. First, you're gonna grab a popsicle stick, just break it in half. And then you're going to get some Play-Doh. Use as much as you need to stick two popsicle sticks together like this. Well, I haven't put the Play-Doh on, but yeah, like that. All right, I think that's a job well done. Then you're going to get your spork. You're going to face it this way, so not the front, but the back is showing. Then you're going to get one big googly eye, like kind of big, not too big, but kind of, yeah, like these two sizes. And put one sticky dot per googly eye. And make sure you leave room for Forky's red unibrow, just like that. And then you're going to get the red puff paint. Just do a little U shape, like an upside down U kind of like this. You're going to grab your blue puff paint, puff paint, and just draw a smiley face. Just like that. Next, we're going to grab a red pipe cleaner, two red pipe cleaners. Okay, so then you're going to grab the glue dots and put it on the front side of this fork, right around pointing, because you probably can't see it. Next, going to have one hand to this side, and that's the first arm. That's his arms. So now, all right, then you're just gonna like scribble on the inside. Have fun with it, it'll look great. And then next, on the bottom of the popsicle stick, you're going to write your name. There we go, and that's my name. All right, and then next, I'm going to stick Forky in, just like that. And that's how you make Forky.